Imagine a life where your dreams aren't just dreams, they're your reality. A life where you wake up every day feeling excited, fulfilled, and aligned with your purpose. What if I told you that you have the power to create that life? That the key to manifesting your dreams lies within you, waiting to be unlocked. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to manifesting your dreams using the law of attraction. Whether you're new to this concept or have been practicing it for years, this guide will help you harness the power of your thoughts, emotions, and intentions to create the life you've always wanted. Let's start with the basics, the law of attraction. Simply put, the law of attraction is the idea that like attracts like. It's the belief that the energy you put out into the world through your thoughts, emotions, and actions determines what you attract into your life. If you focus on positive thoughts and feelings, you'll attract positive experiences. If you dwell on negativity, you'll attract more of the same. The law of attraction is always at work, whether you're aware of it or not. The key to using the law of attraction effectively is to become intentional about your thoughts and emotions, to focus on what you want rather than what you don't want, and to believe, truly believe, that your dreams are possible. The first step to manifesting your dreams is to get clear on what you truly want. This might sound simple, but it's one of the most important steps. If you don't know what you want, how can you expect to attract it? Take some time to reflect on your deepest desires. What do you want to achieve? How do you want to feel? What kind of life do you want to create? Write it down. Visualize it. Get as specific as possible. Remember, your desires are unique to you. Don't worry about what anyone else thinks or wants. This is your life, your dreams, your journey. The more clarity you have, the easier it will be to manifest your desires. Clarity is power. When you know what you want, you can focus your energy on attracting it. And that's when the magic happens. Visualization works because it activates your subconscious mind. When you see yourself achieving your dreams, your subconscious starts to believe that it's possible. And when your subconscious believes, it starts to align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires. Try this. Close your eyes and imagine your dream life in vivid detail. What does it look like? How does it feel? What are you doing? Who are you with? The more detailed your visualization, the more powerful it will be. Visualization isn't just about seeing, it's about feeling. When you can feel the joy, the excitement, the fulfillment of your dreams, you're one step closer to making them a reality. Gratitude is one of the most powerful emotions you can cultivate. When it comes to manifesting your dreams, when you're grateful for what you already have, you're sending a message to the universe that you're ready to receive more. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. It raises your vibration, making it easier to attract positive experiences. And it reminds you that you're already blessed even as you work toward your dreams. Start a daily gratitude practice. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They can be big or small, anything that brings you joy or makes you feel blessed. Over time, you'll find that gratitude becomes a natural part of your life. Remember, gratitude isn't just a feeling, it's a practice. The more you practice it, the more abundance you'll attract into your life. Manifesting your dreams isn't just about thinking and feeling, it's also about doing. The law of attraction works best when you take inspired action. That means taking steps that feel aligned with your desires and your intuition. Ask yourself, what's one small step I can take today to move closer to my dreams? It could be sending an email, making a phone call, or simply doing some research. The key is to take action, no matter how small. Remember, the universe rewards action. When you take inspired action, you're showing the universe that you're serious about your dreams. And that's when the magic happens. Finally, trust the process. Manifesting your dreams isn't always a straight path. There will be ups and downs, twists and turns. But if you stay focused, stay positive, and stay aligned with your desires, you'll get there. Trust that the universe has your back. Trust that everything is happening for your highest good. And trust that your dreams are on their way to you, even if you can't see them yet. Remember, the law of attraction is always at work. Keep your thoughts positive, your emotions high, and your actions aligned. And trust that your dreams are manifesting right here, right now. Because when you believe, when you trust, and when you take inspired action, anything is possible.